This video is on simple interest. So what is interest? Interest is either on money you owe, like for a bank loan you pay interest, for credit cards you pay interest, anything that you finance you pay interest. It's also money that you earn. It's the interest that on the money that you place into the bank or money that you put into the stock market. You increase the pay by interest, and it's an amount of money. So you consider rates. Interest rates are based on percentages. So we have, there is a formula for interest, and this is simple interest only. And it'll always, the problem or the situation will always say either simple or compounded interest. This is simple interest. And so I equals capital P, R, and T. And this is what those stand for. Interest earned for I is equal to the principal. That's the amount either you take out on a loan or the amount that you put into the bank, times the rate, which is written as a percent, and then you'll have to write as a decimal, times the time. So these are all multiplied together. So it's principal times rate times time. And this is interest earned or paid. So let's see what this looks like in a problem. So it says Sarah deposits $2,000 into an account that earns simple interest at an annual rate of 4%. So the things I need to know is the $2,000 at 4%. How much interest will she earn over the first 5 years? Because I need to know the time. So I'm going to put this information into my formula. So I equals capital P R T, and I equals the principal, which is $2,000, which she starts in the bank account, times the rate 4%. Now I have to do that as a decimal to put it into the calculator or to actually calculate it. So 0.04 times the 5 years times 5. So I went ahead and did the calculations and calculated this out. And so interest, whenever you multiply all this together, equals $400. Okay, so she over 5 years she would make $400. Now it says how much will be in her account after that time. So it's the principal plus the interest. So the principal plus the interest is the total. And so that would be 2,000 plus 400 for a total of $2,400. That's the amount that would be in her account if she didn't take any out along the way. So I hope this explains simple interest and that you'll watch later for compound interest.